Namaskaram. Sorry for the delay. I'm not well. I hope you are doing well. So, I hope you all are received the orientation video link before attending the culmination process. Please check out the orientation video on January 28th on Thaipusam Day. Only the culmination for ladies will happen, and for gents it is happening on 11th February, that is on Thai Amavasya. And 20th January it is only for ladies, so no problem. If gents attend, you can attend if you wish. However, when if you attend the one on 28th, you need to attend the one on February 11th. So February 11 is the date for Bhairavi Sadhana culmination for gents, and for ladies it is on 28th January, which is 21 day. And you know the time, 10:45 a.m. to 1 p.m. Indian Standard Time. And the online link for Bhairavi Sadhana culmination video will be sent as soon, I think by tomorrow it will be sent to your email and your mobile number. Please check it out. The culmination will happen I think 2 hours duration, so please set up the space as you had done on the initiation day itself. And also they told some offerings, it is optional, like flowers, neems, lemon fruits, etc. So I hope you check the orientation video, so no need to disclose it now. And as I told, the culmination date, so you have to join on morning. There is only one session, 10:45 a.m. to 1 p.m. Also on evening, there will be a Thaipusam Puja, that is Paurnami Puja, which is happening online, 5:40 p.m. to 6:50 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So if you wish, you can join the Thaipusam Paurnami Puja. So it will be also streamed through online, so you can register it, or you will check the Linga Bhairavi YouTube channel, or somewhere it will be available. And now let's came to the offerings. So I hope you offered some sesame seeds and green grams, and maybe some amount of money, multiples of 11. So for please contact your local sender, your nearest local sender, for the offerings. You can give it to them between 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. So please contact them for the offerings. And also you can make the offerings at Linga Bhairavi temple in Salem and Gobichettipalayam between Thaipusam and between 28th January and 27th of February. So it is also open, the temple is open, and you can go and offer it to Devi there. Or another thing, if you can't directly go to ashram or other Devi temple, Linga Bhairavi temple, you can make online offerings, so it is also available. For North Indians, there is a Linga Bhairavi Gudi in New Delhi, so in Isha Yoga Center, so you can offer it there. So if you are unable to reach all these places, you can bring the offerings to Linga Bhairavi temple at Isha Yoga Center, Coimbatore, whenever you visit. So it is not mandatory to come on Thaipusam Day, because it's all crowded and all. So please try to visit after a few days or a few months, so it is better to avoid the crowd. And also there are special offerings for individuals or family. So I'll give the registration link. So today is the last date for registration. You can express your devotion to Devi with these special offerings from yourself or for individuals or family from afar. Express your love towards them with these offerings, or express your devotion to Devi, like this. Such as Sri Phalam, that is coconut, will be offered to Devi along with an offering of Samarpanam and Arati to earn Devi's grace, and Deebam, ghee lamps, will be offered to Devi along with offerings and Arati, and abundance of flowers, fresh flowers arranged as malas, can be offered as expression of gratitude to Devi. Mala Arpanam and Lingabharavi Vastram, which is a sari, supports in the emotional unity of family, marital harmony, and menstrual health. And Abhishekam, you can also book for an Abhishekam. It's an appeal of Devi's grace with a set of 11 offerings. So this all are only for India. This Thaipusam is very special for us because Lingabharavi completes an 11-year cycle, and in renewed form. The grace of Devi shall become significant. Those who earn her grace shall live a blessed life. This Thaipusam, which take place on the first full moon day after the winter solstice, is traditionally seen as a day of auspiciousness and grace, which a person can make use of their well-being. In the spiritual culture, it is the day when many siddhas or yogis choose to leave their body and attain to their ultimate nature. And one thing, it was on this day 23 years ago, Vijima attained Mahasamadhi. Vijima is Sadhguru's wife. So generally it is also known as Dhanya Paurnami, which means full moon of fulfillment. So the significance is that Devi Bhairavi Aradhana, we celebrate the consecration anniversary of Linga Bhairavi, that day chosen by Sadhguru for the Prana Pratishtha of Devi. And next is Vijima's Aradhana, that you all know. Sadhguru's beloved wife has attained Mahasamadhi on this day. It is magical and heartening experience in remembrance of Vijima, one who attained solely out of love. And also Bhairavi Sadhana culmination. So it's all for the lady sadhakas. This day the sadhana culminates with Dhanya Arpana, offering of grains and Devi Darshan. Gents sadhakas culminate on the day of Thai Amavasya, which is on February 11th, 2021. One thing I forgot to tell, that the offering, which is the sesame seeds and green grams, if you are unable to reach the ashram, or if you are unable to give the offering to your nearest sender, you can give it to the needy people, or you and donate the sort of amount you collected, or you offered to Devi. That also you can give it to the needy people as a offering. So I hope I cleared your doubts. So if you have any more doubts, feel free to comment. I'll try to respond as soon as possible, because I'm not well. I can't strain into mobile too much. So that's it. Please like the video, subscribe our channel, and share the video. Thank you. Namaskaram.